Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to make TikTok video with on voice with background music on iPhone. So the first thing you have to do, open your TikTok application, and after that you just need to go click this plus button to create your content. And after that you just need to start choosing either you want to do this video, or you can also do it the photo, but here let's do it the video 15 seconds. And after that you need to go into this add sounds to add the background music for the video. And for example, let's do it this, and after that you can start recording the video. And whenever you're done recording the video, go click this checklist button to continue the editing. And in this part you just need to start recording your voice here. Let's say today want to break time on my work life, and after that you just need to go click done. And go click next, and your video are ready to upload into your TikTok account. So that is the way how to create TikTok video with our own voice with the background music. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.